Indices crashed sharp yesterday, be it the US, UK, or Germany. Can we expect this crash to continue? Can we expect the fears of recession looming large may take the indices lower, or there is a possibility of a little retracement before the actual drop? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading the S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, Germany40, and FTSE 100? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session for the US market specifically. Do not miss to watch that as well. Just subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first the US indices, S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, followed with the Germany40 and Indian UK 100. Watch. If you look at S&P on the hourly charts, see the greater dip here, the retracement, then the dip, then the retracement. Now it is very important for the S&P to trade above 563 to 5640 levels, the first resistance zone. And any move beyond 5632 and 5640 should be a good indication that what's happening, drop, retracement, and this time it will try to move somewhere here, that is at around 5680, 5700. So a move beyond 5632, 5640 should be a very good indication of further bounce back, further rise, where we can expect prices to move all the way towards 56 5655, 5664, and then 5680 levels. Possibility exists. Yes, right now the prices are trading with divergence from the 20 period. There is a possibility of a convergence at least, and once it trades beyond this, it may try to move all the way towards 50 period moving average. Yes, the stochastic is rising. MACD after a greater dip now crossing over for a buy, and the RSI is rising as well. The observation is more or less same on the 2-hour charts. Notice the greater decline here and now trying to bounce back. First bullish candle, the second one could be further bigger. Be mindful of this. Yes, the indicators are showing a little up move, though the MACD is right now trading with divergence and bearishness. Wait for this to converge and cross over. See what has happened, it has stayed in the zone and it has left this zone, now trying to bounce back again. So yes, definitely this is a bearish breakout here. However, a little retracement is possible. RSI coming out of the oversold levels, coming to 3 on the 3 hours. Similar observations, see lower highs, lower lows are seen, and this is a breakout. Any move beyond 563 to 5640 should be a very good indication for the next move all the way towards 5565, 5580, 5665, 5680 levels. Possibility exists is strong, and then we could see S&P hitting 5700, though a complete reversal appears difficult, but yes, a little rise is possible. Stochastic rising, MACD is trading bearish, RSI is staying oversold, and on the 4th, the observation is more or less same. Preceding candle comes with a bigger tail, trying to bounce back, trying to rise. I'll wait for it to trade beyond 563 to 5640. That should take it all the way towards 565, 565, and then 5680, 5700 levels. Possibility exists. Yes, it is trading with divergence. Notice the beauty of 20 period. See, it has formed or it has provided a very good resistance yesterday, and hitting or failing to break beyond the 20 period, prices consistently move downwards. Now it is trying to retrace. See, every drop is followed with a little retracement, and thus a little retracement on the upside can be expected here. The stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI oversold as well. And on the daily charts, when you look at the day started on a bearish note, it was completely, or it is completely outside bulling up bands. It is trying to fall back with it. Even if it stays bearish, it has a potential to move all the way. See, if you connect the dots here, this is how it has been trading. Even if it stays bearish, it has all the potential to move towards 5720, 5730 zone. So till then, you should not be treating the S&P as bullish. There is a possibility of a retracement, but do not treat this as bullish as long as now it stays below 5760 levels. Here, still 5760, we should not be treating S&P as bullish. The stochastic at bottom, MACD trading sharply bearish here, looking downwards. The RSI is oversold as well. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 5632, expect 5640, 5655, 5664, and then 5680, 5700. Yes, it is possible. If it trades beyond 5700, you can look forward to 5724. 30 levels, the first target zone, and if that is taken, then 5750 levels should appear. A complete reversal appears difficult, though. Be mindful of this. But yes, a little retracement is possible. On the downside, a selling entry now I'll recommend is at 5600 levels or 5595 levels. Expect 5580 as the first target. 558075 should be a very good support. Below that, 5550. Any drop below 5550 is a clear indication of the next move towards 5500 levels. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq Tech 100 plunged sharp yesterday. Now see, after this plunge, what is happening? Drop, retracement, drop, retracement. It is coming out of this bearish zone, which suggests that it is possible for Tech 100 to move all the way towards 19,500, 520. 19,500, 520 should be the first resistance zone, and then you can see 19,600 levels coming into picture. Any move beyond 19,600, just stay bullish. You can look forward to 19,760, 800 zone as well. Possibility is there. Sharper the drop, sharper the correction could be. The stochastic is rising here. MACD has hit a bottom here and now trying to cross over. This crossover can lead to slight reversal. RSI coming out of the oversold zone. On the 2-hour charts likewise, see bearishness first bounce back candle. I will wait for the next candle to appear, which suggests if it trades beyond 19,500, certainly one can stay bullish here. And then 500, 520 should be the first resistance zone. 19,600 should be the second, and then 19,710, 800 should appear. The stochastic rising, MACD is trading sharply bearish, trying to converge, not yet crossed over though. RSI is coming out of the oversold zone. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation. Notice the preceding candle comes to the tail, and also the preceding 4 candles delivered lower highs, lower lows, trying to break out here. This may try to come back all the way towards the zone, which is having the top at 19,600, 19,710 zone. Yes, the stochastic is rising. MACD is sharply bearish while RSI is oversold. Coming to 4-hour charts, similar observation on the 4-hour charts, lower highs, lower lows, trying to break out. Wait for this breakout to confirm, which suggests that if you see it is staying above 19,460, you can buy, expect 500, 520, and then 19,600 as the next targets. Notice, after every drop, either price stabilizes or retraces or consolidates. So now this is a bigger drop, and hence a little retracement or a consolidation is very much possible. But as long as now 20,000 levels are not taken, we should not be treating Tech 100 as bullish. That is pretty clear. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI oversold. Things are definitely staying oversold here for Tech 100. Coming to now, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me on Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now first let's talk about the levels to buy. You can buy here at 19,460 levels, expect 19,520, first target 19,580, 600 second, and if 19,580, 600 is taken, stay bullish for 19,660, 710, 800. Yes, it could move all the way towards 19,800, and beyond that is also possible, where 20,000 level should be seen. Remember, as long as now 20,000, 20,200 is not taken, Tech 100 is not to be treated bullish. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 19,320 levels. A drop below 19,320 is where you can say, now we will look forward to 19,240, 200 as the first target zone, 19,100 as the second, and below 19,100 it should fall into a correction loop where we are looking forward to 90,000, 8980 levels as the next support zone. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to down. US 30 on the hourly charts hitting the lows here, forming the double bottom at 41,600, trying to bounce back, and now 42,100 is the zone. That is the 20 period moving average. It needs to break pass by. Any move beyond 42,100 should be a very good indication. See what is happening: drop, retracement, drop, and it could retrace all the way towards 42,300, 400 zone. This is very much possible. 42,300, 400 is possible today. If it stays above 42,100, certainly the bullish momentum should take over. Yes, the indicators are starting to rise. Looking upwards, be it the MACD, RSI or stochastic, and this is just on the hourly charts. When you look at the 2-hour charts, similar observation: drop, retracement, drop, and it is trying to bounce back. At least 42,300, 400 zone. It would try to strike, or definitely I will say rather. Let me broaden it a bit. 42,200. 400 zone, it is what it would like to fall in. This should be a greater resistance zone as well. Stochastic rising, MACD sharply bearish, trying to converge, RSI trying to come out of the oversold zone. On the 3-hour charts, after diminishing bearishness, reversal candle has appeared. First bullish candle, the second one could be further strongly bullish, which could take the prices all the way on the upside. Yes, the indicators are starting to rise. The MACD is trying to converge, RSI coming out of the oversold zone. And on the 4-hour, similar observation, reversal sign, first bullish candle, and the second one should take it all the way on the upside. Or if not this one, then the next candle should take it all the way on the upside, which is possible. That 42 300, 400 or 42, 200, 400 zone should be there very soon. Notice the move here. See, after every drop, USDT consolidates. This has happened here. It has taken the next round of drop here and it is trying to look upwards. Now, the median of this channel is somewhere here at around 42, 200, 400 zone, and beyond this, more bullishness should prevail. But difficult for a complete reversal. Let's wait for this to happen. Stochastic rising, MACD sharply bearish, RSI is at bottom. Coming to on the daily chart, see the day started with the tail. It has already formed a double bottom at 41,600. With that, it is trying to recover. Remember, for the day we have seen lower highs, we have seen lower lows. Where are the highs of this? All the way towards 42,500. So now, very important for USDT to trade beyond 42,100 levels, because beyond 42,100 certainly we will look forward to 42,200, 240 as the first target zone, 42,350, 400 as the next target zone. Here's the MACD, stochastic, RSI, all are sharply bearish. So looking at this, very simple. You can buy here at 42,100 levels, expected to move towards 42,200, 240 first target zone, 42,350, 400 second, and then 42,500 should appear. Any move beyond 42,500 is a clear sign of a complete reversal and a breakout. Be mindful of this. Anything and everything is possible. These are on the downside. I will recommend a selling entry at 41,920 levels, and then if you see it is staying below 41,900, we can expect it to move all the way towards 41,800, 41,600. And remember, the bearishness today in US30 is only and only if it trades below 41,600 levels. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Germany40 or DAX, yes, trying to recover here as well. And see, after staying bearish, forming a bottom at 22,400, trying to bounce back. 22,400 indeed is a very good support. Now, the 20 period moving average is definitely a greater resistance. So, if you now see DAX trading about 22,660, you can initiate a buying entry, expect 22,710, and then 22,800 levels. Beyond 22,800, 840 is where the bulls are waiting. If it trades beyond 22,800, 840, you can expect 22,900, and then it would continue on the reversal journey. Yes, the indicators are starting to rise after the sharp dip on the early charts, be it the RSI, MACD or stochastic. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation, drop, retracement, drop, and it is trying to bounce back. It could try to move all the way towards the zone. The highs could be at around 22,900 to 23,000 levels. Let's watch out with caution. Yes, the indicators are starting to show an up move. MACD is trying to converge, not yet crossed over though. RSI trying to bounce back. On the 3-hour charts, also similar observation, consolidation and a breakout, and I will wait for the next candle. This might take it all the way towards 22,800, 900 zone. Be watchful of this. Yes, the indicators are starting to show an up move. And the same is the observation on the 4-hour charts, diminishing bearishness. First bounce back candle and the second candle should take it all the way on the upside. So yes, if you see it is staying about 22,660, initiate a buying entry for 22,710, 800. Beat the stochastic, MACD is also trading with sharp bearishness. RSI is flat. So the greater the bearishness, the chances of a reversal will be very. Look at the daily charts. After this greater dip, it is trying to bounce back here, and a 20 period moving average offering it a very good resistance, and that is what also makes 22,600, 22,660, 710 as a greater resistance zone, because once it trades beyond 22,660, 710 is where the bulls will take over. Look at the formation here. Every rise offsets with a dip, and this is time. It is a bigger dip. It is closed below 20 period moving average, which is not a good sign for the bulls. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD has crossed over for sell. The RSI has dropped. So right now I'll say too early to conclude that the bulls are taking over, but yes, a little retracement is possible. So you can buy at 22,660, expect 22,710, 22,800, and then beyond 22,800, sky is the limit. You can look forward to 22,855, 880 as the next target zone, and after that 23,000 should appear, though such a strong reversal appears difficult. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry in DAX at 22,500 levels, below which you can expect 22,400. Any drop below 22,400 should clearly take it all the way towards 22,200 and 22,000 levels. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to FTSE. UK100 after hitting double bottom at around 8550, 8540. See what is happening. Double bottom means top here, which suggests that it could move towards 8650, 8660 levels. And if it stays above 8650, 8660, we can look forward to a move all the way towards 8680 and 8700. Notice the formation here. Drop, retracement, drop, it could retrace. Where are the lower highs? 8680. Where are the lower lows? Towards 8550. So this is the zone in which FTSE 100 is trading. Indicators are looking upwards now, which is a good sign for the bulls. It suggests that a little recovery is possible. Look at the 2-hour charts, drop, retracement, drop, double bottom, and it is trying to bounce back. It can try to come all the way towards 8680, 8700 levels. Be mindful of this. Yes, indicators are starting to look upwards. The MACD is trying to cross over here. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, similar possibilities are seen here. Consolidation first, bounce back candle. It could try to move first towards 8650 and then 8680, 8700 is also possible here. Indicators definitely are now looking upwards, which is a very good sign for the bulls. Same for on the 4-hour charts, reversal sign is seen first and second bullish candle is appearing. Again, a good sign for the bulls, suggestive of further bounce back and a rise. Coming to the day, similarly on the daily chart, see forming higher lows. It is trying to bounce back. It was outside bulling up bands, now trying to recover. Lower highs, higher lows means a movement all the way towards 8700 can be expected. So if you now see it is staying above 8625, you can buy. Expect 863540 as the first target zone, 865052 as the second, and then we can expect it to move towards 868, and beyond that 8700 is possible. So that's about the buying levels. And the selling side, I will recommend you to sell only and only if you see it is staying above below 8580 levels. If you see it is staying below 8580, rather 8585 itself, you can take a select there, expect it to move towards 8565, 8550. Any drop below 8550 is a clear indication of more correction all the way towards 8500. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Till